Hey everyone, let's talk about copy trading. The big important thing by copy trading is with highest profit, this is the most one popular. This is the only copy trading guide you actually need. Be sure to smash that like button and I'll keep you guys updated. But the really important here is what's happening, what's going on with copy trading. What we're seeing right now is traders making tons and tons of money for their followers. $16,000 this guy made in 7 days. He made $67,000 and himself he took home $8,000. Wow. His profit is like 15%, which is fine. But let's take a ROI of 36%, which is completely insane. Because some people put in $75,000 and won back 3K. Someone put in $200, $200,000 and won back 3K. So with big positions, you can actually win big. Let's see if anyone is down. Someone is actually down 15%, 14%. I think he's following since 4 days. So some of these people are down. I'm not too scared about that because they've only been falling for a few days. But people who have been falling for 32 days, like this guy from the start, 20 days, when they put 73K into profit trading, look at this. This guy has a profit or loss ratio 160 to 1. That's completely insane. 90-day holding average, 2.37 days, last traded at da-da-da-da. So to me, it's completely insane, guys. It's completely insane. This is what copy trading does, and it can make a lot of people very rich, as this guy is making, I guess on a yearly basis, he's making about $850,000. It's full, and 335 people are waiting to be in the trading list. I trade based on mixture of technical indicators on daily candles and forecast of the overall crypto market. I use leverage from 1 to maximum 6. And seems like this guy, went big. I guess he's from Korea, but has about 2,000 followers, and that's what's pretty awesome about copy trading is it can actually, if you don't know about copy trading, it can give you a huge profit. If you want to get started copy trading, I leave the link in the description below. There's a lot of smaller traders. Should you follow them, you should do your own research. You should see if they're actually making profit on a consistent basis, or if they only got lucky with a few trades and now, are becoming master traders. There's tons and tons of people from, the ones that lost 10K, 30K to their followers. So trade by, I don't want to shout out the names because it doesn't really matter. Could be, bad weeks overall, or it could be like one bad trade. But the really important stuff is what we're seeing right now is a lot of copy traders, about 480 pages of this. And the big ones breaking bank, they're making a lot of profit to their traders. Last 30 days, someone made $220,000 to his followers. And I guess he made 1,200. I guess he took home 15% of that, which is pretty insane to me. But look at this. There's profits and losses. And what you have to consider is, long-term game. Are you going to be with a trader long-term? Are you going to be with a trader short-term and pull out? Let me know in the comments below. Use the link in the description below, and I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Until next time, peace, everyone.